What's good, y'all? Or since I'm in Hawaii, should I say aloha? Want to do a quick room tour here at the Hilton Resort, Waikiki Beach. Because there's two Hiltons out here. There's Hilton Village, but then there's the Hilton Resort, where there's multiple hotels. Just a regular room, king size bed, nothing spectacular. But the star of the show here is this balcony view. Got a couple chairs, table. Oh yeah, that's where I spend all my time before I go to sleep. And what makes it so good is when you look over here to the right side, you got your beach view. Oh yeah, you got the boats, night cruises, people out there chilling. And then when you pan over here to the left, you got your pool view. And what's cool is right behind it is a store and a bar. So then you have your other towers. On these other towers, they don't have the beach and the pool view. So this one is special. So I'm gonna go grab me a drink, come back up here and chill. It's my birthday, y'all. Did the helicopter ride, did the submarine ride. So now it's time for dinner and a drink. All right, bust up, we out. It's me.